On them all the time. He's quote.
Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. I don't even know what we got here. A barn, I think it is. Oh God, Roberto, you're not ready? Yeah, I think I saw something. This is a barn now. Yep. You know me, I take everything apart and I don't remember where is the part. Oh, okay. It's a home light. I see it. It's a home light of old ones. And he used to have something around here, but he would have told me what was it? Okay. Magnet to breaker. Okay. You know what, guys? I don't even. Oh, he doesn't say either. Well, I guess you guys know. I know it's an old one. It's a home light. The really old ones is heavy. Look at that. I guess you would tell me, and there's a lot of people up there that would know. Okay, guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. Oh, look who came. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough. And they want sound. I'm also going to do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Por favor, esperen. Guys, this is broke here at the beginning. It broke completely. Look at this. It seems like, you see that? It broke. So already we have a problem. This looks maybe a little good, maybe it's part of the problem too. This is the muffler, you know me, I take everything apart like that, I can show you everything. This is the handle, it looks like it's working good, really heavy, my God. I love it. Oh, it's part of the baby, let me put it here like that. And this is part, I guess, or whatever I had that, it broke with it, oh yeah, whatever it broke. This one's still good, I guess. The core, it's your home light right here. We got at least some proof that what we're talking about. It's broke there. And the filter, you know, you can clean it if you want to keep the original one. This looks good, I guess. It's being used, you can tell. And this, well, I don't think that's good. That looks broke there. Alright. And you got all the screws that came with it, the spark plug right new, look at that, and it's interesting because now when you see the piston, everything looks, or either they changed the piston or either it's the original one and still in main condition. You're gonna see. You have acceleration here, what came out of that, okay. We're gonna try to start it, we're gonna do throw a little gas to see if at least it does a little something, you know. Let me see if we can see through here since we got the light there. Let's go to the big boy. Give me a sec. I'm a little with it. My bad. Okay, this looks nice. Look at that. This here you have to clean up, but you can see water, of course, or whatever with time. But it looks good too. You need to do your clean up. You can see the water. And here you got there. Let me blow a little bit. That's the blow. I don't know if it's dirty there. That's the only thing I see wrong there. A little corner there. It's not here, but it's a little bit there. I don't know if it's a piston itself because the ring goes good. Maybe it's all gas there. Alright, let's see if we can get the inside here. Okay. Oh, looks good. Let's bring the pistol down again to see if we can see what is that there. Yeah, it looks like it's a little scratch there. I don't think that's not gasoline. Yeah, I think it's a little scratch there. Well, I'll let you guys choose. Remember, I sell for parts, guys. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. I sell for parts, so you took a hit here. If you're trying to fix it, that will be on you. Wet in here, I like it. Alright, I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't think I can start it. It looks like it's been sitting down for a while, but let's give it a shot at least to see we got coil and all that stuff going on. Okay, first let me do this. Okay, we already have a problem here. Yeah, I know. Sorry guys, you got me off guard. I do not prepare the stuff. I know you guys think, oh no, this guy prepare and then do the video. No, no, I do everything live. I got too many equipments. You can see my store. Oh, that's something else. Please follow my store. I got a lot of new stuff that I've been putting every day. If you want to send me an offer of the item that I'm putting and you also have a bid, please do it. If you see an answer, it doesn't mean I didn't like it. I mean trying to put the best of the best you can, okay? Alright, this is the spark plug. It looks brand new. Oh, let me blow it. Just in case. Yeah, it looks brand new. Yeah. It looks really, really nice. I like it. And this one's, you should undo, but I'm gonna do it on this one. Oh, I should have tried I did it wrong. I did it wrong. My bad. Sorry guys, I'm too late. I should have put a handle first and we should hear the compression first and then do this. My bad. I'm doing everything the opposite way today. This is I think I did only one of these babies a long time ago. Yeah, I'm a little rusty, I know. Yeah, this is from this piece here, I see it now. Okay. And this one goes in the top. Alright, we're there guys. It's not that bad, it's been a few minutes. I don't think it's this one, but yeah, it's too late. Yes, yes. Yeah, we got one. This is too short. Yeah, no. I thought I could put that. Alright, I got one. Put this one here. I don't even know if they go here, I'm just gonna put them there. They all look going really nice. I think that will be enough for what we're trying to do. I guess this goes here. Okay. Okay, it's looking good. I don't think got this one, but it will go again. It's the feet, we're gonna use this one. Alright, we got it there. Oh God. I don't know how I arm from this baby. Too much for me. I know my limits. I love it. Here you go again. I put this without checking the spark plug, but whatever, which is gonna go for. Alright, let me see here acceleration. We're gonna throw a little gas straight to the heart of the beast. I think I put too much, but that's fine. It's part of the gain, I guess. You can see the handle is a little stuck. Maybe I did something a little wrong, or it's a little old. Let me see. Maybe it needs a little of cleaning. Come on, baby. Yeah, since this is hit here, hard for me. Since it's too powerful machine, since it's not coming back. Alright, now there it is. Alright, right there. I guess it's the clutch, but look, it's getting, maybe it's just a lorry. I'm gonna get one more, okay? Forget. Oh, baby. Let me try the coil. Yeah, it's still coming back. You see, maybe I did something wrong when I put it in. I'm not experienced with this type of machine that much. The chances are that I make a mistake. Let me see something. I think I put too much gas. Yeah, I put too much. Let me see if the coil at least works. We're gonna do a coil test. I think I put too much. More than too much. Hey, this thing is on by any chance? How we know? Oh, it's right here. Okay, it's on. Supposed to was on. Okay, we're good. I see the on right here. I don't see the coil working. Maybe it's me. Nah, I don't see the coil working. Maybe something inside there. Or maybe it's the coil, the one that's not working. Well, I couldn't start it. You should have tried to start it. Alright guys, you have it here for parts. For parts, at least the inside looks good. Maybe you can take the carburetor. You can take a lot of parts of the motor. I think you can fix this. It has a few stuff going on the favorite members of parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. If you're trying to fix it, that's on you. Why? Because I sell for parts. I sell broken. I sell damaged. It looks good, the motor. Let me tell you, it's a chain that I think this is just looking, you know. But it looks a good project, guys. For you, if you got another one, this looks interesting. Any questions on here? Remember. Thank you. If you want to make a offer, send it to me for any of my items. Please, the highest of the offer. If you see I'm not answering you, that's me, I didn't like it. Thank you. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Oye, cada vez que cojo una niña esta me tumba el brazo. No sé si es que tiene problemita aquí un poquito, no me está cogiendo algunas de ellas que no te la bobina, no la puedes chequear así. Pero bueno, ya saben ya que para la pieza ni siquiera la bobina le pude tratar. La ladera se traba un poquito. Es una maquinita bien viejita, pero me imagino que es por esto que la armé mal, ¿ves? No soy muy experimentado en este tipo de máquina. Disculpen mi ignorancia, está partida si se ven la parte de atrás. Esto es más por si usted tiene una y necesita pieza, el carburador, el motor está intacto, déjame decirte. El cloche se ve buenísimo. Mira que bien se ve el pistón ese adentro, no sé ni qué decirle. Cualquier cosita aquí estamos, mi gente. Si quieren hacerme un buy now de algo que les gusta, que no tenga puesta, me lo mandan. Y si me gusta la oferta, les contesto. Si ve que no les contesto, es que no me gustó. Ok, gracias mi gente. Se una la raza.